Hello, my name is Wen Te Yun, MD. In this video series, I will explain Medicare in a clear and simple way. This is episode 1. Today, we will talk about what Medicare really is and what it is not. Many people believe that once they turn 65, Medicare will cover everything they need. That belief often leads to confusion, unexpected costs, and unnecessary stress. My goal is not to sell you anything. My goal is to help you understand Medicare clearly, calmly, and step by step. Let's start with the basics. Medicare is a federal health insurance program primarily for people aged 65 and older. It also covers some younger people with certain disabilities or medical conditions. Medicare is important, but Medicare is not a single plan that pays for everything. This is a key point. Medicare is made up of different parts. Understanding this structure is the first step to avoid surprises later. In this episode, we will not compare plans, we will not make decisions, and we will not rush. We are simply building a clear foundation. In the next episode, we will look at the different parts of Medicare one by one. For now, thank you for being here. Let's continue at a pace that makes sense.